slow flow.
Yeah, them never broke though.
Digicel.
Digicel.
Flow now do nothing for me.
Them not do nothing for me.
No, they used to. They stop.
You know, like when a brother with a passion, me I tell you no.
Yeah, man, I'm not supposed to pay no bill, man, and I get the service, man.
Brother.
You tell me, say, well, regulators them for. How me if you pay for something and now get it? That makes sense.
And today, the superintendent is coming to tell me, today, 1 month after about revised estimate, when the people them up there drink bullfrog, and you comfortable with that, I say you're a good representative. Eh?
All right, thank you so much, Tom.
Talk me for what?
All right, we're going up. We continue with the meeting.
Talk me for what?
Yo.
So we know.
I don't know which party you represent. I don't give a fuck, but I respect that.
Jamaica being a part of JPS, have shares in a JPS, right?
That is part of Spooky.
No, and to me no spooky.
Spooky.
To me no spooky, no, because you know, I government come clean then and tell we. If they no come clean and tell we say, well, we are give them 1.5 million because we are get
150 million.
8%.
150 million.
Yeah, we are give them 150 million because we are get 8% shares in our company.
1/5 for 150 million. That means
I know, say now so.
A government that get 30 million out of the money there. Because they have 20%, right?
Yeah.
They will get 30 million out of the 150 there.
No, you know, say now go so do we
so JPS will have 80%.
Sell it off, so I think they now get no more.
JPS will have 80% shares. I get 120 million, and the government I get 30 million. So you see when I say that sound spooky, because it's like you tell me say, oh, what you know, no, we're not gonna renew your contract, but we are gonna do a linear 150 million. Zin, when in reality, at 120 you are gonna get as the organization, the private part. You see what I say? Fee part 130 million US in it. Now, whether we give you such or such out of it, we still have funds. That is a way of allocating funds to itself.
And if they don't have a license, the government has already indicated to them based on our July 2025 letter that we are prepared to acquire the assets of the Jamaica Public Service, which means that our money is protected fully.
Fully active again, people. Wanna do it?
Yeah.
Everything active, you know?
People big up on themselves, man. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. Say the way.
Yo, first of all, we just want to apologize for absence. Flow a bit to a body out. Flow a bit to a body.
Flow a take money and not give you service.
Yeah, man.
A scam no more scam way.
And I use Hurricane Melissa as blam champagne to fight.
As we talk about scam, it's the biggest scammer in Jamaica.
Oh.
One brother where when I don't mind see it for Papa and News Link. Man have over 100, I think 80 or 180 at company. Company.
Oh no, me see article over there, man. I know I sit there, man. Some government official or teacher.
I never go. The man get charged already and beg a court.
Yeah, man.
Help him say he have problem.
Me see article.
That's coming. He have problem. We have trick people and take their money.
Me see article, man. That's for real.
Jamaicans are best. Man beg a court for help him, you know.
I'll be a white collar criminal there, Jamaica.
Hey.
I'll just win on him. Then we call him government. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. Fully respect, man.
We system
fully
get corrupt.
All our subscribers, them, man. I see it.
Yeah, man. Grassroots and new. You see me I say? Big up on yourself, man. Couple more days and 1 year we do this. Yo, you know what ironic? Remember our first video, people? First video was about a war that could be brewing, you know, you remember? Who would have thought that 1 year later?
A different war.
A different war. But when I contend that them when we did talk about, still in there. And it stands strong, massacre. People, we have to forgive up on the war, but as I say, internet a beat we. All what there, when we are drive, crash, corrupt, 3/4 we file them. Because we've been, as I say, flow a beat we, but we've been a record and a edit. Just a wait for the day when flow say, yes, see we are. We just flood on with content.
Hey, flow a trick way.
Yeah, man.
Flow, me could put on the service today and take the internet tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Pay a bill, no?
mean.
Pay a bill. When are supposed to hear? When I post the last video neither. No, same thing. Yo, you see what when I post the other video where we did not tell them. People flow a bit too bad. You see, just because of that, and that's the only reason I go get this video here first, or any other video where we are going to do.
Yeah, what you might say, but I want to ask you a question. Anybody else I use Flow? We never try call Flow customer care.
Disgusting.
The people implement one AI, so they don't want chat to it. The AI does a send we go over so and send we go over so. The first thing me have to say Flow. Because I know me I do this for facilities and I said, if me not have no service, I may call you for you fix the service. Why the mama bomb buckle out and send me go for WhatsApp? WhatsApp can use without service.
Without service.
Eh? You say Flow, hey, Flow take over that, you know? And
then do them things, yeah. Why? Because nobody not call them, bro. Yeah, that me show you, brethren. People just say, they send me the bill, yeah. Right there. And you see the first time they go for that blow, go turn up in the line, they're not going back.
Nah, go back.
Them not going back.
Bro.
You see, first time they do one of them call or make continuously and get the 30-minute wait there and say,
bro,
all of our representatives are still unavailable. We'll get one to you as soon as possible.
And would you like to take care of this? We can take care of this quickly over on WhatsApp. Me say, if you ever want to hear somebody cuss one AI, you see?
Yeah, man.
They tell me that more 5 times I wait for one real somebody to talk to. And every 5 minutes that the AI jump in.
Brother.
So we can take care of this quickly over on WhatsApp. What the blood clot me get service from?
Me I call Flow and Flow take away all the waiting music. Now me is a boy who love music. People don't know that. If I even waiting music me like. Me say Flow take away all the waiting music and have the AI depend every 10 seconds. I'll soon retrieve your data. Just a moment while we pull up this information. Our agents are working to receive your information. Da, me say, yo, you know a 9, bro. Me say, da, me say, me delete. Because me can't turn down your phone me want hear when somebody come in, you know.
You can't turn it down for the hear that.
Brother, you're 9.
Well, I'm going to show you it's the opposite now. Because me did I hear the waiting music, you know. And the waiting music get a 9. I want music in my play. Here we go. And the energy you feel real, like I say, the energy you feel real Flow. So you feel...
Dog, Rumpum say, we don't blame Flow, we blame the government. Me say, we blame the government, yes, but we blame Flow. We don't do better. Yes, it's true you and digital and do a pally. We don't go on with the most things, dog. You see, bad to bad. As much as then they under basically same ownership, you know. Yeah. Cricket Mobile and all of them look at bullshit there overseas. You have to know where you do. You know, see all phone them and give away all 5 phone special. I don't give away still no. I don't give away, you know, but you know, you have to do something to get competition, did it?
I can't talk and I'm walking to that should be ugly.
Belly, I love you know.
Ugly. But here they are the same. We can't blame them. Watch this. If we have one water company in Jamaica and them sell away contaminated water. Right? One means say water crystal clear and everything, but water contaminated. You see, if the government implement and find out that an kill off the citizens slowly but surely,
a
government fault that to me. You know?
Hold on. I hope we can find the clip when we edit these people. If not, don't know research. I don't know which government member did that. Start to I think when I speak at them in my house, what they are. And like a speaker try make you like him try overthrowing question. You see me like him say, yo, we answer that already, we deal with that already. You see me and go sit down. Man, I say sit down, what? Oh, sit down, boy, when it fucking tank where it world people them. I drink shit, wipe them body, cook with and all sort of sin thing. Have fucking dead frog in it.
And Works gave an update.
Short order, the tanks can be usable. It is not necessarily the fulsome and permanent structural fix that we need, but just enough to get the tanks covered and keep whatever rodents or insects from getting into the tank very easily.
That did not quell the wrath of Councillor Bell.
And today, the superintendent is coming to tell me, today, 1 month after about revised estimate, when the people them up there drink bullfrog, and you comfortable with that and say you're a good representative? Eh?
All right, thank you so much, Council.
Talk me for what?
All right, we're going up. We continue with the meeting.
Talk me for what?
How the fuck me fi sit down? Eh?
And I say that.
And you tell me say go sit down. You answer this already. No, my bad man, and no need for do.
No need for deal with.
Yo.
So we know.
Me don't know which party he represent. I don't give a fuck, but I respect that.
So hear me I say, when we see them thing there, right? When you see them thing there, and think about this situation where is a company in a country where basically and them a provide
and them alone have
communication.
And them alone have one duopoly.
Yeah.
We don't have JPS. We have JPS, we don't have a next alternative. We have Water Commission, we don't have a next alternative.
Alright, so
for telecoms, we have a duopoly. You can imagine if it was just flow.
So when you hear about JPS this morning, we had to say government plan to give them money, don't you?
People, remember me telling about 150 million USD where we get blood spend when me tell us we don't get none water. I want some over here, so I want to put in a pool. Some smart ass is a wise ass. Some wise ass in our office decide say it would be a good idea to give the people them vouchers. I know Andrew come up with this ras in a bar. Yes, what me I say? But him say it all time mouth. I know if when he say it, he's supposed to know so Jamaican did about with him.
A JLP thing that
the
voucher.
Voucher. Zane, the funniest thing, you know, dog, I had actually thought about that, you know. Zane, but watch up on now, food stamps and then sitting there now. That me did that thing.
They say them might give voucher and the people may get the voucher just get who them feel like.
Yes, and that would have been, and that had the problem. Nothing wrong with the vouchers, you know, the system of how you're going to get it. And then how you're going to get through with the voucher car. The business, them I go to business as usual soon. And then I see voucher. It will make it hard to get through. You see me? And then you go here and say, well, we heard of instances where that...
Then we get through when the government pay over money quickly. Like if the government pay over money before the vouchers them cash out.
Yeah.
You will get you with the vouchers them and I problem to get you in at that point. Because you go on supermarket to the vouchers where the vouchers say you go to a supermarket like Clark supermarket.
Yeah.
You just go in and take up a value thing a voucher. See? But the problem is now on certain things you can't get off a voucher. But the problem is now when the people get the voucher for distribute it. Decide say, you know, so I not get all dog none. I tell dog me not think he vote for it. I me not think tall dog like me.
Yeah.
Because I go give some people where tall dog would know. Tall dog go hear say voucher give out. And he can't get one when him himself a him rooftop gun through the stamp.
Me understand.
Me not like the voucher thing they be doing. You see, look at them and see government MP them. MP them need to know the people them. If you know the people them,
listen,
so you're supposed to carry
just come for fear. Just come for fear. And that is where it is. Come for fear.
I office.
Yeah.
No, me understand
just
that.
Come for fear.
But when MP don't know the people them, right? How come for fear go? Because
that is where the problem there, because the man say it will require ID. No, when people complain is the ID wet up in a storm or blow away. You see what I say?
And that's a good point.
It's a valid point. Well, while we know said you know, enough people can't wait for you to utilize the system. So you're going to end up have we in our unbalance then because man a ship from all the way over here so can collect them voucher. You see what I say? Without identification card or no for. And that them a whip man for. I mean I said that if you cannot see that is also a problem. But where one of whip him for is not being able to find some solution around that problem. You see me I say, but don't whip him to say yo ID required.
But listen, when plan to come whip the Prime Minister for now. And Virgin me I say, I know if it will be bad because you go down know, you know, and you say this even for one of your podium thing what you know. Say you're not afraid of nobody, you know. So me not expect say you're afraid of floor not digital in no boss.
That me I say brother.
Get me I say, so listen me.
Can you answer me in a room for me? No, say answer me though. Yeah, answer me though. Make up yourself, Mr. Prime Minister.
So you me I say no. So you me I say no. Me really feel like say digital do better. Cause digital have one AI way. And no bullshit AI. It'll tell you where you go.
Yeah.
Digital tell you say press 2 if you want to deal with the phone service. Press 3 if you want to deal with the home service or your Digi Plus or them thing there. Flow a carry around some hoop. because you don't want to chat to nobody.
I'm playing basketball now, but I don't like hoop.
Flow not imply no Jamaicans in our office.
Never.
To answer a phone and say you chat to a flow representative.
Yeah.
No.
They imply somebody from the Caribbean though.
From the Caribbean though, yeah.
But not Jamaica.
Not Jamaica. So
I know majority.
So that a beat the system. You
Jamaica.
can imagine say, me order my internet chip out or my phone now work and me call flow in the night. And I can't chat to one real somebody. AI can't solve my problem in bro. AI tell me if I press this and this for my phone.
Give one ticket and then the ticket not come through. See? That you know, me have one ticket for change my modem. From about February. Over there now. December.
Hey, me I go say it like I'm virgin say man, when I go Call of Duty.
Yeah.
You see, me could have a whole man we are run floor right now.
Brother.
Begin to a hard box in the head.
Conk him, man. Conk him. One of the better brethren a fuck around and do.
A fool in take over, man. Fool me say, man.
Yeah, man. Fuck around can do. People actually we don't really have the time, but what we did plan for do, I call it 2 service them, 1 floor. One digicel.
We're going to do it because we know we're going to have time one at a time.
One at a time. Yeah, because we're not on the internet for post this.
I want to, they now change the system, you know. Flow system I get worse and more corrupt. So you see by them time they're ready for call, it could have even worse. Worse. So they beat, it'll be. I watch you know. He might come back tonight, you know, because you see every time when we decide so we have beat them bad, when we go we like them a listen to it. One microphone in them modem. Wait, no.
Me I tell you.
Alright, me can prove this to anybody. Me say dog, you know, say, me don't understand how my brain works. So, you know, say, when you call flow or digicel, I don't know about digicel, because flow me I call from what day. When you call flow, and you chat to when the AI tell you, say, wait for chat to one somebody, like how we did look a while.
Yeah.
You know, say, they can hear you.
Of course.
Somebody did it, we can hear you. You see, even though you listen to the waiting music, somebody they can hear you. You know, me know that. Me put on your phone, you know, and you know one mind say, you know, me I gotta start cause some bumbuck like that. Because you know they can hear me, you know. So me just did it and say, all them pussy hole, you know, so I change the digital and make them go suck them mama. How quick time hear somebody. Me hear one girl answer. I say, she nearly hear all about all them. God no.
Alright. 2 things me can
So me believe say them a hear that.
2 things me can use and kinda give strength to your argument. One, me there work a call center. Zane, and then call me there call, text me there text. But me tell the people them say, hold while we give them the look of promptly. And fuck off with them when they give you some problem. We know no issue what they want, you know. Just fuck off with them and go deal with the other people them more annoying. You see me more.
And then I'm more. If we get to them problem.
But that don't mean say we never see when you text say, fuck you. Whatever fear or whatever you work is. If you say, we see it. Fuck that shit. Zane, boop. You know what time my dog them a laugh right across the blood clot aisle. And I know my dog them a be a girl then aisle. But you know long one time we laugh.
Because I call them and I cuss already, you know.
Yeah.
When me start cuss and I use all some bad word, you know. The girl himself tell you say, you know. Like that tell me say.
That way they tell you. That way they tell them say, you see me?
So
you know, take no profanity. So if you at that point then can hang up, you know.
Yeah, they can hang up.
Yeah. So enough of them where they do you have to do that too, you know.
Me know. Because they want hang up.
You hear me now? One hour more to prove your point with the call. Because remember, text me, send me text at call center. Remember episode of Mr. Monk when one little mediocre detective, one little bald fat man forward and solve all like details like case without before Monk could have even do this. You see what me I say? The dog I say, what kind of dog is that? The man see one dog cross the road when year was gone. I forward the boy them forward from half of the robbery. And I talk about it over the phone. Now the boy where the fake detective or the mediocre detective, his mother work as a call operator, phone operator.
So
yeah. So while you're there on the phone call, I talk to your friend, she's supposed to do their money. Just the same evidence that this call will be monitored.
Yeah, there's a monitored.
It monitored.
It's a monitored, it
monitored, bro. Don't fucking think it's not.
But watch out, monitored can also mean say be recorded and then can listen it after. But monitored mainly means say it a monitor on the spot.
Alright. So watch
somebody
out.
listen on the spot.
Exactly. Oh,
Alright,
my
here
God.
we go on there again, people, after a sleep break and all of them things there.
Yeah,
Good
go
day
for me youth
again.
and thing, you know. So you know I got people. Flo, done with the case yet. When I move crappy and we know I wanna like your brethren.
Slow flow.
Yeah. Them never broke though.
Digicel.
Digicel.
Haffi myself. Flow now do nothing for me.
Them
None
not
of
do
them.
nothing for we.
No, they
Okay.
used to. They stop.
But here we go on. You did know so we have regulators we're supposed to deal with complaints on the behalf of the public.
Them regulators are government member.
I don't know if a government member, I know an organization name OUR and SMA.
Yeah, that's supposed to be from the government.
But
we regulate them type of thing. If you say right, like telecommunications, then other telecommunications.
telecommunications regulators.
Yeah. So may I say, those like you that have, the man them regulate the farmers them to make it thieving goods, thieving meat, stop sell. Where they must say you know if you buy meat from some, you understand me? Yeah. Let me tell you what Jamaica not fully up with. Regulations. You didn't know say we're supposed to have regulation on fishing. It's like how we get up and go fishing in rivers and sitting, and some man use all the net and stick out the whole of fish for them one. That's not supposed to happen.
Yeah, we third world. I just say go. We don't implement, and that's why a man will up on Jamaica and say we free life nice down here. So
exactly.
It is.
And them the thing they make us say life nice down
compared to the rest of the world
them
when it comes to true freedom.
Yo,
wanna make a give thanks if you wanna backbush Jamaica, bro.
Yeah, they are my virgin.
I wanna best.
I say they say when they go fish, when they go catch fish in Canada, right? You can't catch like too much of one type of fish. Cause they have one all in a cool pass on boat and I make sure someone check a fish them will catch. And you can't catch a small type size fish. So I say, Yari, how would that happen if me didn't know I catch a fish? I may catch a small one and me have my pot and everything.
Ready.
Me don't fry them, I name them, how the man know me catch them. Yeah, they say no, you can't run the risk there.
Oh.
But the thing is if you get catch with them, I'll fry them or them things.
Yeah, no problem.
You see?
And we are Jamaican, they have to smell the pot fry anyway.
Fry anyway. Yo, a man says some type of fish, only native Canadian
can
catch them. So if you, like we go to Canada and catch some fish, I let them go back.
No fuck.
Jamaica have no rule like that. It's all the lobster rule. You know, say why some man work with that. I reason because you go on, if you sell to restaurants and so, like the top restaurants them. And them have to go by the rule for just not buy it from you, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? But if me know have a backbush restaurant like one or so.
Me go for a lobster with the bumper clap,
man. And buy the whole like
but
small one them we have.
Seafood, bro.
Yes, you see all like small one them we have. Can them come, man?
Yeah, dog.
Because they are cheaper.
I don't joke. But yeah, the government can't really control them. Zine, as I said, them is a door poly, them do them thing, but they can regulate them. But regulation often slow and not happen till you get mass complaint. And when I say mass complaint, I don't think you mean mass complaint from we down here, so. I think you mean mass complaint from up top the side there, the matrix.
Let me show you my figure mass complaint, bro.
Yeah.
If Jamaica have, me just use a number. If Jamaica have 3 million people, see? We need more than half. We need more than 1.5 million to complain about the same thing. I don't mean I complain to you about through TikTok and through YouTube.
I complain to them.
Through official channel.
I tell them, I feel like say, Zine, if we get your number 1.5.
You can't ignore it at that point.
If we get 200,000 at Cherry Garden and Narbrook the whole of them high-end place there, people.
Oh man, you don't need so much fun in place there, man.
Zane for complain.
You don't need too much fun in place.
Zane. Just say, because you say half a population.
One cartel you need fun in place there. All cartel are roughly 200.
Bad example. They don't want to see Adisha Palmer name on a bill.
Bad example for me, Jah.
Remember, man. But, for real, just the people them up there, so, because hear why reality is. Majority of Jamaicans, why, and this is why me say they can't do it uptown, because uptown use internet like England and Canada and America use internet.
It's a must.
You see me? It's a utility just like water and light, virgin. I know pull the door like I must say my forward.
No man.
Yeah.
What you say is not a. It's alright. Let me show you.
It's not a luxury Jamaica
break it
youth.
down then it's like if you go and find out to go rent one room, you go have to pay a gas bill, light bill, water bill, and internet bill.
You're not haffi. You not must pay an internet bill. You not must pay an internet bill. But the thing is, overseas so connected through emails and nursing thing there, rare. For do all your work and your daily tasks and nursing thing there. And like them the people they were literally online they work on nursing thing there in the UK and them place there. So I don't necessarily say you have to pay it if you don't want to pay if you're not if you're gonna do say what they call it one type of work dog. Like say
some people just say this kind
half I agree. Yeah, not many even want to take it so me don't want to take it so far. If you do want to look at work like say you collect rubbish $14 an hour or something, I don't know. Then you don't necessarily need no. You see me? You just need to say you reach a location.
Most necessary like water and light.
Yeah, exactly. You just need to know so you reach a work location, do this job, left. You see me? I say you don't need no internet, no email, no via pop up to say rare.
Yeah, but
you see me?
People will have internet where I work with them like all them
like
home security system.
Like the uptown people them know. You see me? I say so them they closer to US and closer to UK. So if them make a complaint, it will adjust because watch out. Them have
better
pay feet as a utility. They not pay feet like luxury. Rest of Jamaica use internet like cable. So just entertainment.
So
bro.
Alright, so what I said then at the end of the day, you go right back to the same situation like JPS. Because watch out. You see why we get less fast movements from JPS and fix back over thing. Because them people them more pay for it like that. We don't have so for example here we are community so where 50 people living.
Then just say Rocky Pine. Then just say Rocky Pine. Then how much now? So over 70% of Rocky Pine people now pay for light.
Nah pay for because I say.
Hey, JPS rigged, you know, hey.
No, but
I don't say that.
No, but here how
they make them stay.
You have to say that. Look at how you say that. You will want count to buy. You can't count to buy simply enough.
No,
you
can't
count
to
buy
the ID. Put out the statement. They just John dog. You just demeaning.
You I would do the same thing too. I would do it for every parish. You know why? That's why I would do it now. To show a country say when we ball out as a company. We really have to ball out for you because you have actually half a country where now pay light bill and everybody have light.
I tell you, bro.
You get what I say?
I tell you.
But Flo and them people can't ball for that. Flo can't ball for that, you know? You know that though?
Ball for what?
Fees same thing with JPS a ball for. And you can't put no wire up there and chop on floating and start tea floating.
Can't tea flow box though.
They can thief flow box, they can thief them wire.
Early Friday morning, December 5 at minutes to 2 o'clock. A team of police officers, they were on patrol in the Monig area of Cyaan. On reaching in the vicinity of the Monig housing scheme, the police, they're alleging that a guy was seen using a grey Toyota Probox motor car with license plate number PN 4201 to pull flow cable wires from a manhole. This manhole is located at the entrance of the Monig housing scheme. On seeing the police, the guy sped off. The police gave chase and the car was intercepted and the driver held. Both he and the cable wires were transported to the Monig police station.
You can't leave JPS wire. You can't leave JPS wire. So I guess I saw it go. You see me? But yeah, people. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. Zane. Next thing we are talking about now, Zane, I say still. JPS. The government, Mr. Darrell Vaz. You see, and that's what they say, you know, for quick to talk. Because I say, one man, I'm sure not thief money. I'm not sure you're thief money, see, but I just say it looks spooky. You see what I say? Oh, we get 150 million US dollar a day, and all of a sudden we have 150 million US dollar for get JPS. Now look on it now, Zane. I argument them and that, I tell you something like, you see bullshit. then just throw some truthful or make sense things in it to make a statement sound alright. You see me I say believable. Because factors are there. JPS contract for renew, and then did I say they need to renew it before storm, right?
So JPS are going to use that whole against the government?
No, yes, because JPS's statement is that the bank them not give them no money because they're not sure them are going to pay it because work.
And that makes sense.
Makes
sense. So watch out. The government plan for renew, the government offer renew no contract. You can get a lesser contract.
Yeah.
So if me give you 8 million and you can't pay back in a such time, it'll be my fault.
Alright.
No must get back the contract.
Alright, so what you know now? The government that choose to lend them 150 million now. I don't know.
US or Jamaica?
US.
No, but alright.
I see him 150 where we get.
No, but what
24 something trillion billion Jamaican I think.
I'm not going to say no, say you can't say I see him 150 because basically we get 150.
150. Me not tell you say exactly it goes on. But I wish I money.
Energy Minister Darrell Vaz is adamant.
We have not allowed adversity such as Melissa to take us off track with the negotiation of a new license in 2027 with whoever that is.
The JPS license is set to expire in 2027. JPS had written to the Energy Ministry asking for it to be extended for 15 years to give the entity time to raise money to help restore electricity to areas worst affected by Hurricane Melissa. JPS indicated that full restoration would not have been possible until April-May 2026.
But based on the fact that we need restoration as a country in the shortest possible time, the government of Jamaica has agreed to loan the JPS 150 million United States dollars on the basis that they will use that money, which is estimated at $75 million a month, to restore the entire grid, save and except for any special area that may not be reachable, but the major areas by the end of January, latest early February. What are the terms to make sure that the government and the taxpayers are fully protected? 5 years with an interest rate to be negotiated by the Ministry of Finance, which I'm sure will be a reasonable interest rate, because the higher the interest rate is the more it's going to pass on to the consumer.
Minister Vaz gave further details.
They can pay as early as 2 years. Why? Because 2 years the license expire. They'll either have a renewed license or they won't have a license. If they have a license, they can attract financing. And if they don't have a license, the government has already indicated to them, based on our July 2025 letter, that we are prepared to acquire the assets of the Jamaica Public Service, which means that our money is protected fully. So there is no risk to the Jamaican government or the taxpayers.
This led to questions from opposition spokesman on energy, Philip Paulwell.
Firstly, you've mentioned that today the government is not yet aware of the interest rate. You can't lend money without that very important element being known. So let us know what that interest rate is. But more importantly, you did say that at the end of 2 years, if the company hasn't paid back the loan by then, there's an opportunity for the government to transfer that loan into equity, into shares, and to acquire the assets. What is the value of that asset?
Answers to those questions in subsequent newscasts.
Every country, especially Jamaica, we have them type of money they're supposed to put on for disasters, And Jamaica being a part of JPS, have shares in a JPS, right?
That I part of Spooky.
Make, no, and to me no spooky.
Spooky.
To me no spooky, no, because you know, I government come clean then and tell we. If they no come clean and tell we say, well, we are give them 1.5 million because we are get
150 million.
8%.
150 million.
Yeah, we are give them 150 million because we are get 8% shares in our company.
Oh, 150 million. That means a government I get 30 million out of the money there. Because they have 20%, right?
Yeah.
They will get 30 million out of the 150 there.
No, you know, say now go so do where
so JPS will have 80%.
Sell it off, so I think they not get no more.
JPS will have 80% shares. I get 120 million, and the government I get 30 million. So you see when I say that sound spooky, because it's like you tell me say, oh, what you know, no, we're not gonna renew your contract, but we are gonna do a linear 150 million. Zin, when in reality, at 120 you are gonna get as the organization, the private part. You see what I say? Fee part 130 million US in it. Now, whether we give you such or such out it, we still have funds. That is a way of allocating funds to itself. It's spooky, dog.
Yeah,
I don't care.
You may say, you are whole thing of a spooky.
Oh, smart, they want to make it sound.
You are whole thing of a spooky. Because government has said this right now, I mean, so we don't understand the whole thing.
It doesn't sound like it makes sense. Alright, before you give the point before you say you can put everything in conclusion. Them say, the reason them do this, JPS say they couldn't restore light island-wide infrastructure unless up until May. See? Them say them a give loan so you can do by April, May.
It's a loan.
Yeah, I lend them money.
So if it's a loan, man, yeah, man.
How do I get it back?
I mean, how do
I get it back if they alright. So if they go so boop so Zane, I lend them money.
Yeah.
Light come up.
Yeah.
And then I renew their contract. How do I get it back?
You have to renew their contract.
So when the bomb clock, you know, just renew their contract for money, make them go get it from the bank and keep the money.
No,
and give you money. More than my 150 million, and that still a
But you not understand me. I think I suppose the dial was come up with the same thing about the not renew contract. Me actually say then government member there, right?
Me want my 150. Me want my how much are we there?
Then there's no.
You could divide 150 million youth.
Bro, listen, I say man, the government member them just know if they kick the damn ball. Darrell Vaz and all of them say that. All right, who own the grid? The grid itself, where wire run pan. The light post and the wire them. See? Who own that?
Well, I'm gonna find out that for you.
Because me I say, all of that have to make sense in a renew the contract. Because I don't like you can get one next. Because if you get one next, somebody will provide light, right? A JPS own the grid, you still have to have them there. So me feel like when they say they not renew a contract, it's never say they not give them back one contract, you know. But me not go no back one monopoly contract. I simply that me feel like them a try do. I give back one contract where say they can get someone next telecommunications from America and then go put up
telecommunications.
No, not telecommunications. One next light and power company, yeah. From America or somewhere else, and then come run way up and they said damn grid. They said light post them. You understand? Yeah. You never notice some fine country where light post up on the two side of the road. You ever notice that?
Hey, if they give away $150 million, you see, according to census, everybody in this blouse and skirt is supposed to get $10,000 for $151.
Alright, ask them on the grid. Ask the AI, I'm in a service.
Yo, listen to that. What about 10 grand? Bumper clutch cover tempo light over part of. I still use youth.
But then fix the light, alright.
Eh? Brother, that's just,
yo, listen,
that's just 150 million.
One of my call on youth squad right now can't play the game because he not a light. Fuck off. But they fix the light. But they don't get a blood clot. Don't get a mobile side on so. I don't man say like a next year for get light.
Next year, that's funny. That is about
I'm gonna him down in a me. I'm gonna him JPS.
I thought about in a me. Is that
Virgin? Let them fix the light down.
JPS, the loan company that owns and operates Jamaica's transmission and distribution network, the grid. ownership breakdown of JPS. Marubeni Corporation in Japan own 40%. Korea East West Power Company own 40%.
Me go through that already.
Government of Jamaica own then 20%.
So look here now. So that me I try set to you set all that. Look at man. You see, by Daryl Vaz and them say them not renewing the contract with JPS have. And that me feel say them not do. Understand? Them a try give them one contract for me then have the monopoly there. But you know mean say you can't kick them out. You get me I say?
So you know come to think about it then, Zane dog. Zane Marubeni Corporation in Japan and Korea East West Power Company. Then the pussy they can't pay money back, man.
No, then I tell you say
they can't pay back your money.
No, the way me tell you say them can get it back in but and I get back me at about.
Even if we not give them a contract, they can't pay back your money.
Even if we not give them a contract.
Big company them there.
No, but you not understand the point. You not go want to, just like you said, you not go want to pay back the money. And you know, have one source of business in the country. So I say they must go keep them the same way. So when they say now renew the contract, you know what I mean? Say, when a contract you up, JP is not going to there no more. Somebody else going to take you over. You understand?
Well, maybe they must short meat.
Short meat, that me I pray.
Yo, at the end of the day, I want my $10,000 that me a blow out. Say. Sound right? If you sound right, say, I'm an idiot.
Well, you know, sound right to me.
Everybody just say, I'm an idiot. 10 blood clot $1,000 for me instead of a country better.
That's a one floor bill. I'll be tell you about people where there no light. That's a man wicked.
He said, come on, man, just say, I'm an idiot.
No, but you wanna me I say it for our time I still you know me I say about the same grid thing you know. That me feel say I mostly I fuck up Jamaica you know with the light thing, you know.
What, the grid?
Yeah, the grid itself. Because I complain right now who comes 150, you know. Because of that to maintain. There's it that hard to maintain in the grid itself.
I don't maintain.
Yeah, I have to keep on maintain.
And I have to keep on maintain, man.
Alright,
150.
right now them pop down. I have to keep on maintaining now, but I have to get them back up. So may I say, when 1 and 2 drop down all the while, right? At them time the JPS really feel them pressure. But when I flow, when they feel pressure, they do it with this.
None tall.
So that more know, Virgin.
None tall.
Why them a deal with this?
Them are just some pussy flow.
Can no man now go, they go thief for no why what I see. Although some boy run your thief. No run here no. Don't run here people. I've been with the bus seat party was there. Our soldier then catch a thief flow wire.
And around here, I don't know where my talk about.
I know when me say some boy in Jamaica that maybe say. I'm a TV people them think patrol, bro.
Flow. Do better when it's a big pussy company. When I like when I tell the truth. When I like when I youth. I tell you I just true. We have some ghetto youths because we know as blood clot, but we know we have a plan for you know. Hey, we have a plan for you, you fuck. We have to start power whole community with Starlink. Yeah man. Me not feel like the amount of people within our community, we need more than one 8 households to have Starlink and disperse amongst the community and get rid of flow as a whole.
Elon Musk welcome in the humanity right now in Jamaica.
What's up on the mama?
You see if you don't know like my virgin there. Just type in him Starlink and you can go through and read it. Elon Musk have one specific part where you can go apply and you pay less bill right now. If you didn't affected there right now. You pay less money. Anyone no come from Jamaica.
Man is
you just need to click on this and sign up on this. And if you right now, you pay less bill.
Man say Africa for Africa, man.
Yo,
Africa
hey, Flo, listen to me. Feel like we don't have competition, man, yeah?
I feel like every ghetto youth are down, so I go sit down and wait and collect them and same thing, yeah. Us say our son has to get look at cheddar and suck them my last video this we have to make phone now.
Yeah, me go say now too. None of them have a megabyte them with Starlink provide, you know. What I mean say them start at 250 megabyte for home service, right? Starlink start at 500.
Yeah, It's not even a competition, really and truly, bro. It's not even. I guess them tell their mind so this is just
I think that's what that
I feel like they just tell their mind so this temporary. You know,
man.
just hurricane relief and assistance and right there. No. They feel. Let me tell you what they feel like. They feel like the government of Jamaica I go fight for them like how they fight for them when Claro come here. And that they believe, you know. But you didn't understand say Claro was our what they call them people Latino society, the Spanish blow company. Yeah, this is an American company. Uno go see say government, we government don't really care about uno.
Did
uno
you
go
say?
see it.
You have a problem though.
Uno go see it.
You have a problem though, because I say this, I think you did answer it. I really think about it. Digital have no wire run for post them.
Never see none. Never see a truck.
Because them start with the
big pole.
Wireless.
A big pole, let me know me say from their primary school, them arise. From the rise, the one there so.
Alright, wireless internet connection can work, you know. Yes, since playing game and understanding about internet, it's better if you're connected directly to the source, you know, by a wire. You understand? So that's my problem with digital and flow. Flow is supposed to have them one great thing. Like with Pani Post. Digital not have that. Them have it all pull them.
Flow thing is the friggin' sin thing them. You want to maintain, brother. You see me I say chippy and wear out dog and a whole fiber cable and this thing there, bro. It flow underneath to do better, bro. I mean, bro, no disgusting, man. Disgusting, bro. Sick and tired of no. Regine, you know all the video them they get for post what they see, because I want to tell all frigger can go on power computer and then last. You touch on me, no like on brother with a passion, me I tell you no.
Yeah, man, I'm not supposed to pay no bill, man, and I get the service, man.
Brother.
You tell me say what regulators them for. How me if you have paid for something and now get it. That makes sense.
Better wanna tell me say yo. Outage hours are between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. But me work with that.
Like what Chinese them do.
Nah, me don't know.
They give us no one outage time for internet.
Bro, me can't. Nah, me tell you, bro. Them disgusting, ja. Them disgusting people. If you feel like how you feel, share the video to somebody where you feel like how you feel. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. I not forget. Even if you don't have flow, get link your friend who have a flow and try call them and you see if I joke.
Disgusting. Style them sick, yes, sir.